guys, Tegan from Fabulous here. I'm here to show you guys today a new way to apply your concealer. I first saw this technique on TikTok, but then since then I've seen it in multiple different videos and on different platforms of people showing you how to do it. But in recent years, the go-to technique has been the triangle under the eye. This one here is a lot more flattering and I really prefer it. I'm just going to use the colors out of my Garbo and Kelly Millennial Girl contour kit just so they are bright enough for you to see, because normally I use a concealer under my eye that's pretty similar to my skin tone. I don't like it too bright, so I'm just going to go into the Tailor shade here. Okay, so first of all on this side I'm going to show you the typical triangle technique. So I'm just going to take my Fabulous concealer brush, and so the technique has been for many years now recommended that you apply it in a triangle shape underneath your eyes. Okay, that has been the go-to technique for quite some time for under eye concealer. So this new way says to go down from the inner corner of your eye, down your nose, okay, and a little bit in this front section. So like sort of a sideways triangle. And then take the concealer in that outer section, heading up. So there is a gap there that you leave, because obviously you don't need as much product in that space, but you're taking that concealer down the sides of your nose and just across into that first bit there. So still a triangle, however we're just putting the point of the triangle in a very different spot than what the previous one was. So now why this is really effective is it gives you a natural contour line on your nose once you've blended it out. So even if you don't contour your nose, it is going to give you a slimming effect there. It also doesn't draw emphasis to this section here of your face. So with this triangle technique, it's drawing attention to here of your face, so making it look like stand out more. Whereas this one here is bringing focus to the areas that need the most brightening, and it gives you a better eye lift and is more flattering on the face. We're going to blend it out now and you can see the difference. So I'm just going to take my sponge, okay, and we're going to blend out this side here first. And this way here also uses a lot less product. So that's that side there blended out. You can see that it is drawing attention, a lot of attention to this section right here on my face. Now we're going to blend out this side. So again, you're using a lot less product. But then, because you've left that gap there, you're just taking whatever excess product is there and bringing it along and blending upwards. That is both sides there blended out. So you can see here, you've got way more of a lift on the eye as it is drawing attention to that section as opposed to this section here, which this side here is obviously bringing the eye down a bit more. This one here is giving it that proper lift. So if you have been doing the triangle, try out this technique and see how you like it. But personally for me, I'm really liking this new way to blend out concealer.